Guys, you know what's real when the aircraft carrier is sinking. Honestly, look, it's exposed to water and we're dead meat. She's gonna go under. No! Guys, it's becoming serious. It's gonna go under.
Yo! Bro.
She's exposed to water and she's going down fast. Look, bro. 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 Dude, it's so close. Look, guys, sorry. Yo, dude, no, this isn't supposed to happen. I was stationed in an aircraft carrier, but not meant to sink. She's gonna go under. Look, get the water line. Look. Whoop. Whoop. See? Look. Go back out. Whoop. Look. Look. It's taking over the boat. No! No! Stay alive! No! She's going under! Oh my God! No! But she's too shallow. Deeper! Deeper! Flip back over and you're going to go to deeper water. She's going under. Think it's her end. The final end. Now she's under.